and welcome to this video on connecting and transferring files in MUSE Automator. In this video, we'll cover 3 core MUSE Automator concepts: the controller node, deploying Automator flows, and how to push and pull projects to and from a MUSE controller. Every Automator flow starts with the controller node. The controller node defines which controller or simulator you are connected to and which devices are available to your flow. Without a controller node, MUSE Automator cannot communicate with a MUSE controller. Begin by dragging a controller node onto the canvas. Double-click the node to open the configuration options. In the remote section of the controller node settings, we will select HTTP from the drop-down menu and enter the IP address and port number of our MUSE controller. Next, enter the controller's username and password, and then click Connect. Automator will now establish communication with the Node-RED server on the MUSE controller. If it is successful, you will see the list of providers and devices now populated with the information on the controller. We will discuss these sections in more detail in another video. After building or modifying a flow, it must be deployed. Deploying saves changes and updates flows running locally by sending your changes to the local Node-RED service running on your computer, not the MUSE controller. Deploying does not send flows to the MUSE controller. The deploy button can also be used as a status indicator. If the button is gray, there are no undeployed changes. If the button is red, there are changes pending that must be deployed. You must deploy before pushing a project so that all the recent changes are included in the flows that are pushed to the MUSE controller. Keep in mind that if a project is running on the controller and a project has been deployed to your computer, it is possible for multiple events to be triggered instead of a single event. When testing or running code, make sure that only one location is running the project at a time. Push and pull move projects between your local Automator system and a MUSE controller. Push is used to send your project from your computer to your MUSE controller so that the program is running on the MUSE hardware. Pull is used to retrieve a project that was previously sent to a MUSE controller to your computer so that the project can be edited in MUSE Automator. Both push and pull require that a controller node be included in your project and connected to the MUSE controller. To push a project to your MUSE controller, click the arrow beside the push-pull button. Next, under Local, you will see the list of all projects on your computer. Hover the cursor over the project you want to push and click the icon that looks like an arrow pointing up. The deployed project will now be sent to the MUSE controller. To pull a project from a MUSE controller, click the arrow beside the push-pull button. Under Remote, you will see the projects loaded to the MUSE controller. Hover over the project you want to retrieve, click the down arrow icon, and press OK. You will be prompted to choose between Pull Flows Only or Devices. Select Pull Flows Only. It is important to note that if there is already a project with the same name on your local system as the project you are pulling from the MUSE controller, the local project will be overwritten in this process. Make sure the project has been backed up if necessary. That's it for this video. For more news and product information, visit us at our website at amx.com. For troubleshooting tips, FAQs, and code examples, visit our Anytime Help Center at help.harmonpro.com.